Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to make a crustless spinach and zucchini quiche. That's right, there is no pastry crust and there is no cream in it, which makes it a healthier alternative to the traditional quiche. It can be easily converted to a full-on meal when served with a side dish. So without further delay, let's begin. You will need 1 chopped onion, half a cup grated zucchini, 2 cups chopped spinach, 1 cup grated cheddar cheese, 1 cup milk, salt and pepper to taste, a teaspoon of nutmeg, 6 eggs and a teaspoon of grated garlic. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. In a skillet or frying pan, heat about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Add grated garlic and onion and saute until slightly softened. Add the grated zucchini and cook for a couple of minutes. Now add the chopped spinach and cook for a couple of minutes. Lightly season with salt and pepper and stir well. Both spinach and zucchini have a considerable amount of moisture in them, so we need to cook them until the water is almost evaporated before they can be baked. Once the moisture is evaporated, turn off the stove and let this mixture cool down. In the meantime, crack the eggs in a bowl and add the milk and whisk it lightly. Season with salt and pepper and add the nutmeg and whisk until well mixed. Mix the cheese and gently stir to combine. And set aside. Now brush a pie dish with a few drops of oil. Spoon over the cooked spinach and zucchini and pour the milk and egg mixture on top. Bake in a preheated oven for about 40 to 45 minutes or until the center is set. Once baked, let it cool before serving. Since Mealville is all about food from around the world, I'm going to fry some ripe plantains to accompany my quiche. Simply cut some ripe plantains and sprinkle with a pinch of salt and deep fry in really hot oil until golden. But if you prefer a low-fat version, you can serve your quiche with a salad or soup. Did you enjoy this video? If so, please leave a like and be a part of the Mealville family by subscribing to my channel. Also, don't forget to leave a comment because I love to stay connected with you. Until next time, happy cooking!